Hello and welcome. This is Cara and I'm here with another kit. So I asked people in my Facebook group, I said, is it too late to do a Halloween kit? Because people are already starting to do their Halloween makes, and I really thought people were going to be like, yeah, Cara, don't worry about it, do it next year. Because I really wanted to make this kit, a Halloween kit, and then I have a second idea for people who don't really celebrate Halloween, but they might enjoy the next one that I'm going to start working on, which is more like a specimen bug kind of kit. Entomologist, I think, is the word. So anyway, I asked the group, and a lot of people said, yeah, make a kit. Okay, so this is what I've spent the last few days working on. It's, right now I'm calling it Haunting Halloween. Real original, I know. I get stuck on the names. There's 20 pages, a lot of fussy cut and ephemera and tags, and I'll show those in a second. And there's 8 journal pages and several background pages. And so let's take a look. So the main colors are black, purple, and this orangey red color. So yeah, again, there's 8 journal pages. There's this one with like the vintage sketchings, and there's some poison labels and a big spider web, and I made it nice and grungy for Halloween. Make sure I'm in frame, because last time, all right, I think that's good. Last time I was a little off center. And then we have this one with the skull and the flowers. Kind of an ode to Day of the Dead, but not completely. And then we have the snake and another spider web. And then this one, I just love this imagery. Phrenology, I think is what it was called, the images. But yeah, how they have the parts of the brain labeled, and then we have some of these jars, another poison label, and a raven, and then there's some mathematics in the background for the mad scientist. And then we have this big skull and spider webs, and I thought, again, when you fold it in half, it would be cool to see half of the skull. Pretty fun. And then this one's a little scene where we have this townhomes or houses, or maybe it's one large house, and there's a little black cat looking at the raven. They're both eyeing each other, and then the witch and the cat are also kind of checking out the cat. I thought that was fun. And then you can't really see probably on camera, but there's itty bitty little stars. And then we have this one. When I think of Halloween, I think of like argyle. So there's some orange and purple argyle. Why can't I say that? Argyle. And then some more labels, a black spider. I really hope I'm in frame. And then some text that's kind of faint in the background. And again, it has like this greeny gray feel to it. Graveyardish kind of vibe. We have a frame and the skeleton and this cool bat. And there's a skeleton key, and then some florals, some text in the background. And then we have 3 damask pages. There's one in this orange and purple, and then in a tannish grayish color. And then here's another background, again with the argyle. And then we have the orange argyle with this big spider web. And then this one is kind of the collage page for the kit. I might do like a freebie of a collage coming up, but the poison labels I thought looked really cool. And again, I just think that looks kind of fun. And of course you could make tags, cut it up, make pockets, all those fun things. And here, I'm going to show you this way, and then I'll also show you my cutout pieces. But here are the tags and lots of labels. Here's my purple set of tags. And then this could be on the front of a journal, or like in the inside of a journal. And then we also have them in the smaller version. And then we have 2 pockets. And then we have lots of ephemera, again with that piece there. 2 slides, and then Mr. Poe, Mr. Edgar there, and then some other bits and pieces, a physician's card, and then this fun piece with a skeleton on it. And then we have fussy cuts. So they're little collages of the flowers. And we have an owl and bat and cats and a jar with butterflies. So let me show you what they are like when they're cut out. So there's 6 of the larger tags. And these I cut out on cardstock. Just cardstock that I got from Michael's. So there's 6 of those. And then there's a smaller of the 6 tags like that. And then there's the 2 pockets. I didn't do any inking or anything. I just cut them out so I could show you. And here's the pieces of ephemera. Like that. And then there's this big one right here. And then in my little box here, I have all the itty bitty pieces. So we have buttons and flowers, labels, clusters of flowers, poison label, the owl, another cluster. Here's that thing that you can use as a label for your journal. And this one, and then this one's really fun. The eye and Halloween, more flowers, 2 kitty cats, one facing one way and one facing the other. More flowers, lots of labels in Halloween colors. There's that jar, another poison label, lots of labels, the skeleton key, button, another eyeball, another cluster, the bat, poison label, and another label. So there's lots of ephemera, lots of journaling pages. Like I said, there's 20 pages in the kit, and it will be on sale for the next week to hopefully get you into the Halloween crafty mood. I will have a link for my Etsy shop down below, CaraBrandonCreations, and if you have questions, post them in the comments. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.